I wish you all the success. In fact, I know Manivannan and Anandan for more than 20 years, and they have been very enterprising people. They are launching this new civilchemicals.com. It's one of the very innovative platforms for construction chemicals, and people can get really benefited out of it. And I wish them all the success.
Very happy to be part of it. Very, very privileged. I wish all success to Mr. Anandan and Manivannan.
I would like to thank Messrs. ACS Technologies, both the managing partners, Mr. Manivannan and Mr. Anandan, for inviting me for this beautiful ceremony function.